Imagine stepping into your garden on a quiet fall day. The air feels gentle, the colors feel warm, and everything around you invites you to slow down and breathe. Even the smallest garden can feel calm and welcoming when designed with intention. Hello friends, and welcome back to Garden Glow, your cozy place for peaceful and seasonal small garden inspiration. Today, we're exploring Fall Small Garden Design Ideas 2025. Calm, warm, and inviting spaces. Fall garden design begins with a soft, earthy color palette. Think warm browns, muted oranges, creamy whites, gentle yellows, and deep greens. Use seasonal plants like chrysanthemums, pansies, marigolds, and ornamental grasses to bring life and warmth into your space. Create inviting layers by mixing plants in pots, low shrubs, and textured ground elements. Layering adds depth and makes a small garden feel richer and more comforting without feeling crowded. Comfort is key in fall. Add a simple seating spot, a wooden bench, wicker chair, or cozy corner with cushions and a light throw. This becomes your go-to place for morning tea or peaceful evening moments. Lighting plays a big role as days grow shorter. Use warm lanterns, fairy lights, or solar lamps to create a soft glow that gently wraps the space in calm. Avoid bright lights. Soft illumination makes everything feel more inviting. Natural textures bring the season together. Wood, clay, woven baskets, and stone create warmth and balance. Add subtle seasonal accents like pumpkins, pine cones, or dried leaves for a natural fall touch. If you enjoy quiet moments, include a gentle sound element, rustling grasses, a small wind chime, or even soft background water. These details help the space feel alive yet peaceful. Fall is about slowing down and finding comfort in simple things. With warm colors, cozy seating, and gentle light, your small garden can become a calm, inviting retreat you'll love all season long. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more cozy and inspiring small garden ideas.